Good evening. First tonight, we revisit a brutal crime that shocked and saddened an entire profession and many people across our state. A visiting nurse who was supposed to be at a house for just minutes never made it out alive.
Now, new legislation that has been passed focuses on improving nurse safety. News 8 investigative reporter Jeff Darian takes a closer look.
It was October 2023. This house on Chapman Street in Willimantic. Horror inside, waiting, investigators say, as 63-year-old Joyce Grayson, a visiting nurse, went in to help someone to do her job. Police say she was killed in the basement. This man, convicted rapist Michael Reese, charged with murder and attempted sexual assault. Now, legislation that is law aimed at keeping visiting nurses safer.
She was one of the most amazing individuals who gave her life for her patients.
State Senator and Dr. Saud Anwar helped write the bill as part of his role on the Public Health Committee. He says the public outcry too loud to ignore.
As a Public Health Committee, we were very cognizant that this is going to be a journey, but we took the first step of the journey. And we have been moving in the right direction.
News 8 did extensive investigative reporting on this issue in November of 2023. Here's a look at the new laws. It requires home health care agencies to share with employees a patient's history of violence against healthcare workers in the past. Also, if possible, crime rates for cities and towns that nurses visit. Provide monthly safety-related training for workers. And also, agencies need to do timely reporting of any violence, verbal threats, or sexual abuse to the state.
On that fateful day, Joyce Grayson did not have anyone with her when she went inside that house in Willimantic. The legislation passed here now calls for home health care agencies to provide escorts. There's incentives for them to do so. Also, to provide safety checks.
Financial incentives from the state also call for nurses to have a GPS-like device that allows them to contact police by simply pushing a button. Also, the family of Grayson, through their attorney, providing this statement to us about the beefed-up laws. Quote, the family encourages the state to increase and continue funding in the future and encourages for-profit companies to prioritize the safety of employees by investing in their own programming.
Our goal, number one, is the protection of the staff in the field, but our goal in combination with that has to go hand in hand is to ensure access to care.
Joyce Grayson saved a lot of people when she was working, but she saved far more as well in her sad passing.
In Hartford, Jeff Darian, News 8.